Hi, very good morning all. So this is 30th of September 2025. This is expiry day today. We are looking at a new monthly expiry day, that is Tuesday for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Usually these were to be scheduled on Thursdays of every month, that is the last Thursday of every month. So yesterday we discussed about gold, and the gold has been just rallying ever since. So currently we are seeing 3863 levels on gold. We had our personal targets around 3850. uh, they are beating that level, and they are just sustaining on the upside. So we also made some amazing positions yesterday in gold, and we were quite very nicely profitable. So let's see here what's Indian market will bring us today. So first, let's see which sector is been holding. We are again seeing metal sector to be performing today. So like yesterday, we might be having some good moves in the metal sector, like the Hindalco, JSW Steel, and other stocks. So currently we are just 2 minutes or 1 minute after the open, and we are seeing Hindalco to be beating the previous day high around these levels. And unfortunately, yesterday, due to some technical reasons, we were unable to show you the live profit screenshots, but we were profitable yesterday as well, guys. So now we are again looking for the trade in Hindalco. So let's see, let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Also, we are looking at Vedanta breaking its previous day high. So Vedanta 460 call option. So currently today is the expiry, right? So we might be having some extraordinary moves in the stocks. So that is one thing. So we are waiting for some time, guys. We will see if we are getting a good entries over the expiries here. Just a minute, guys. Okay. So as it is a expiry today, again we will try to make positions in the upcoming month's expiry. That is 28th October expiry. So let's wait for its chart and its breakout on the upper side. So we have Vedanta, we have Hindalco to be holding off its previous day high still, and also we'll look for the stocks. So Hero Motor has COP has got some extreme volatility, so rejecting, and then M&M is bit okay. Eicher Motors, I think all of the auto sector are in distribution phase. So currently, let's not go into those stocks. We have Lupin to be doing good. Lupin 195, no 1960. Whatever trades we are trying to punch will be for the next month expiry, guys. It will not be for this month, and I don't see Lupin to be a good one. SBI card, Hindalco. Hindalco is holding off to its level really well. So we have a resistance for Hindalco around 730, 763. So this point is important for me. That line which I have drawn red in color is important for us to be broken. And also we are seeing good movement in Vedanta. VEDL, where is it? VEDL. So VDL. So Vedanta and Hindalco can be two stocks which we want to check for today, guys. So let's go back to them again. I think other than metal sector, no sector is actually performing and holding the levels good. So let's wait for these stock and let's try to make position. And also ICICI Prudential is currently beating its previous day high as well. Even in this bank, Astral, Grasim, Unilever, UPL, DMart. No much of stock movement, guys, other than whatever I saw is like Hindalco and Vedanta. So let's wait for these stocks to give us confirmations. Again, today I don't want to be in an hurry because already my profits for the month is done, and we are not in a angry or rage mode to hit our profits again and again. So I can see Hindalco giving breakout in its option chart, but not currently in the stock chart, which is okay sometimes. So we'll try to make a small entry over here. So should I be waiting? Actually, the prices just rallied. So I have placed my order, but I think the market just went up and I will have to wait for my entry. So currently we have been placed in this trade of Hindalco, guys. Um I have entered around 29.5 price, and also Vedanta is giving a breakout as well. So we will also try to make an entry in Vedanta as well. So let's see, guys. Currently we have made positions in both of these stocks. Uh, Rest is up to the market how they want to move, and let's see. Um, Again, we have our risk management in mind, so we are not rushing to enter lot a lot of quantities. We are trying with smaller quantities today. Yesterday as well, we started with fewer quantity, but later we had to size up the position. So we did that, and today here we are with the positions open for the same stocks. Let's see, guys. We need a solid move. Currently, I'm seeing Vedanta to be holding off to its level really good, and Hindalco is just like around the cost from where we bought, but still it is working fine for us. So also I would like to have a view on JSW Steel. That is also one steel sector stock. JSW Steel. So we are waiting, guys. Currently, the stocks are on the move, and they are making the highs, just like in the spot and the option start. They both are going hand in hand. So the breakout has come up, guys, in both Vedanta and Hindalco. You guys can see both of these stocks are really rallying on the upside really well. So we are happy. And any point of time, if I feel the stock is or my targets are okay and my PNL is looking good, I will just not hesitate to book out the trade. So that is what we have been showing you guys. So we are seeing good volumes to be kicking in the stocks, in both of them actually. Actually, a very good volumes in Vedanta. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's see what's the market wants to bring. The closings are okay. The closings are okay-ish in both of the stocks. We just want the rally to be extending for some amount of time, and then we'll look for an exit. So Vedanta is currently pulling back its level. Hindalco is holding off to its level really good. So it is the nature of the candle to get down for some time, make a low, and then move on its upper side. Until then, we should be having a good amount of patience to hold on to the trade. With also good candle formations, you get the confidence to be in the trade, and you will carry the trade well. So currently, uh, Vedanta is around the cost from where we had bought, and Hindalco is in a bit of retracement as well. So once this prices start picking up, will be good for our positions. Currently, both the options, Hindalco actually came down now around 29, and Vedanta is around 17.8. Our entries are around these levels. Uh, so why did Hindalco's price came down much? So there has to be a pull up, guys. So from this level in Hindalco and both in Vedanta. But currently, Hindalco is showing a negative price action. Vedanta is actually pulling off its prices in options. Hindalco has fell much, guys. Around 28.7 is the level currently of 750 call option, and we have entered around 29.5. So currently it's in a loss. So let's see. Let's wait. We have to be mindful on the sector chart, because until and unless there is flow of money in the metal sector, it is fine for us. And also metal sector just broke out the round number of 10,000, so we should be mindful about that as well. So now let's get back to Hindalco chart. We are around 1 rupee down in the option prices of Hindalco. So 29.5, and now it again fell to 28.5, guys. So let's wait. We are bullish on these two stocks for the day, and Vedanta just pulled off its level really well, and I think Hindalco will also get its pullback in another 5 minutes. So we'll wait for the trades to get activated on our side. So any other stocks we want to check? I think ICICI Prudential is moving good. Hindalco is turning to be a tension causing one again like yesterday. But again, with the same principle as yesterday, we want this lines of averages to be held well. So that is our concern. We are almost closer to these averages. In some time when the candle closes, we might see a move in the averages on the upside, and that might act as an buying point for the stocks. But currently, the market depth in Hindalco is not so satisfying. The current price shown is 28.25, and the buyers are at 27.95, around a 30 paisa backdrop in the buying prices, which is not a usual thing. We want the buyers and sellers to be fighting with a good levels and intensity. But when you see the depth of the stocks are not so good, it is not a good thing to witness when you're in a trade. And also, the option charts are a bit slow today. I can see it on my screen, because whenever the candle closes in the spot chart, there has to be a simultaneous candle opening in the option chart as well. Especially in Hindalco, I'm seeing there is a lag in the option premium chart. So, trying to refresh my screen as well. Yeah, but still the glitch is there in Hindalco chart, guys. I'm really not sure what is happening here, but the chart had to change and it has to show us. But let's see. High made by Vedanta is 19, and currently it is trading at 18. So, guys, till now the candle is open for 1.5 minutes, and I'm not getting a candle in Hindalco chart. Not really sure what is happening, why this is happening like this. No, guys, this is a bit of, but I can sense the option depth to be changing, which is okay, but why the charts aren't loading? Sorry, guys. Now the charts are loading. Now there is a new candle which has come up after 2 minutes in Hindalco option charts. So yeah, let that be, and we'll parallelly check other stocks. I think ICICI Prudential is doing good, but it is having some resistances, and SBI card as well, not breaking the previous day high. Hindalco is actually now recovering a bit and trying to show signs of up move. Now the buyer's depth is good in Hindalco, guys. So we parallelly want the high made today, that is 765.6, to be broken on the upside. So then there might be a rush in the prices. So that is what we are waiting. That is what should happen eventually now in the market. So I just want to check my available funds. Yeah, I can again re-enter in Vedanta as well. So should I be doing that for a move of one? Okay, it would be really good if I average them now, guys. But I want more confirmation. So what to do? What to do? Average ಮಾಡಣ. We are just discussing, guys, discussing whether we should be actually taking some entries again, or this is just a pullback on the upside so that the charts can fall down. If I want to pay a little more is also fine for another set of stocks, but I shouldn't be over positioning myself. I should see a solid move in Hindalco, then I will be satisfied to make an position. Else, it would be another headache I would put on myself if I just enter right away. So I'm not making any additional entries. So whatever the entries I have made at first will remain the same. So until further confirmations, because the stock has moved well, and the let me check right now as well. The metal sector entirely is also holding good, so which is a good sign. So if there are more confirmations, or if there is a move at least till 764 in Hindalco and 461 and 462 in Vedanta, I would be really happy to average them. But until now, I don't see them breaking until there. If they are breaking, I'll just try to make entry. Else, I would just hold on to whatever the Lord says I have. This is the game of patience, guys. You should be very patient, and currently in this price movement, I'm not really happy why this stocks are behaving like this, because whenever they finish back their rally or the just small pullback, they have to move up in a faster way. So we saw a good amount of volumes pumping up in these two candles, and then we are seeing some sideways position. Maybe they are trying to attract this averages and then give a move, but that has to be evidently seen on the chart. Vedanta is turning negative and going on the downside. Not a good thing. Hindalco is okay, at least not breaking the levels as expected. So currently, my point of caution and my point of interest in Hindalco is this. So this level shouldn't be taken off for at least next 15 to 20 minutes, and I wanted to break the levels on the upside. So that is 765.6. So that is the setup, and also in Vedanta, I don't want this level to be broken on the downside. We want this level to be held on the upside. Actually, guys, I am pretty sure whenever there is a breakout or whenever the stock is rallying, there would be definitely some amount of force in them while they want to move on the upside. As people want to buy and make positions, the option prices and the charts move out very fast. Sometimes this game is of fastest finger. So, and sometimes there are stocks like example metal sector where their option prices uh, might move very slow, and they take our time. So until our levels are held, until things are going good, we are okay. But once things start to change, we will not hesitate to exit. So currently, Hindalco option of 750 October expiry is around 29, and we have bought it at 29.5. And Vedanta price of 460 call option is 17.5, 17.35. We have entered at 17.7. So it's a okay level for us. It's not a level to panic, but it is consuming our time. So again, when the new candle is opening, the Hindalco chart is not loading still. It is still stuck with the old candle level, and as you guys are seeing, the stock is also very quiet and not showing any movement. I feel these are very lethargic stocks. They don't want to move as well. They don't want to fall as well. But yesterday, whatever direction we caught in Hindalco was really good, and also in Vedanta there was a good up move and trendy day. So the trend might get continued over here is what our expectation is for the day from the metal sector. So whichever stock we left, are they moving? No, our setup did not trigger in JSW Steel. Tata Steel is not performing. Adani Enterprise is not performing. So whatever we picked in metal sector is with our setup, with our strategy. So what we can do? We can do nothing, guys. We can just wait. We can just watch and do nothing else. So currently both trade are in loss, and we have very minute losses in them. But this has to be the candle where we are moving on the upside, because in another 2.5 minutes the new 15-minute candle will get closed and the new candle will be up. So by that time they have to make a move. I am seeing Vedanta's 15-minute candle is still in a red territory, so it actually should move well. That is our thing. Let's see how the 15-minute candles come out to be. The size of the first 15-minute candle in Vedanta is really good, and we saw a rejection of prices in the first 15 minute in the Hindalco stock. But we are fine that both the stocks are around our level, not at our level, but around our level. So I'll parallelly check my scanners if there are any stocks out of my watch list. Not interested with the stocks which the market or the scanner is showing me. So ICICI Prudential, I think we saw it. Yes, we saw it. It's okay. The National Asian Paints. Asian Paints. Asian Paints. Okay. Titan. I think the market, as I said, is trying to get an support around this averages line, guys. That is what I'm feeling strongly. But if it wanted to fall, it could have fall right away after this candle. This very candle, the market would have fell and it would have given up all the gains in the first 5 minutes. But that was not a thing. That didn't happen. So we still have some levels. Okay, level is held. This level is held. Okay, let's wait, guys. The complete setup is according to us, as we expected, as we thought it would be. But the PNL is not showing. That's it. Our entry might be a little overpriced. Maybe in terms of option prices, we have bought it 50 paisa to 1 rupee more than it was to be bought, but it is fine currently. So that time I just discussed about averaging the trade, guys. I didn't average because I didn't get confirmations to my side, to my direction. So this is the thing. But Vedanta is currently trying to go down and maybe trap some of the stop losses which has been kept around this zone and try to make a contact over this average and then move up is what I feel. I can be wrong any time. So I have entered this Vedanta option price around 17.7 and currently it is at 16.8, around 1 rupee loss in the option premium. So this 15-minute chart in Hindalco is okayish. Vedanta is moving as per the expectation. Also, does it want to check its previous day high? If that is the case, I will have to wait for some more time and will definitely want to give more time to that stock. But let's see. I think both the stocks are trying to make a low in their 15-minute candle and then give out a yes, guys. This is the thing what I expected in Vedanta. This is the good thing as per the charts. I think it almost made the contact with the moving average, and I think it would be ready for second set of rally as well. So I'm just preparing myself to enter two more lots in Vedanta. I have just prepared myself. I haven't punched the order yet. So Hindalco is holding the levels of 29, which is a good thing. We want more on the upside, like really noticeable. These candles are just time pass candles, which kills our time and kills our emotions on the way to their journey. But still no signals in Vedanta for me to average. Still no sign in the spot chart or in the option chart. But Hindalco held up the level, but again trying to mess on the downside. But I see whenever the market is coming down with these red candles, I see there is very little participation in the volumes. So also let me just use this. Okay, and also again for this. Okay, so both the trades are a bit risky, guys, in terms of volumes. Now we are seeing Hindalco to be giving us pressure on the downside. So again, Vedanta is giving pressure on the downside as well. So the better thing what I'm doing is I'm not averaging. So once I start to average, my losses will also start to expand twice as much it is now. So that is the scary thing while averaging a trade. So I think the whole of market is just time passing, doing nothing. Let me see what is Nifty and Bank Nifty doing. So what is the Nifty is time passing. Bank Nifty is again time passing. So the emotions, what all are there in the uh, broader market will eventually come down to the sectors and eventually to the stocks. So as far as that is happening, we can't be doing anything. We should be parallelly looking for the rise in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. Not clearly understanding what Vedanta wants to play out here, because the fall is not very serious. I can't explain much about the fall, but the option premiums are just crashing, guys. I'm again back with 1 rupee and 10 paisa loss in option premium in Vedanta. It had went till 19, and now it has fell to 16.3, which is really bad. This is not a acceptable thing from Vedanta. It is breaking its previous candles low in the option chart, but it is not happening in the spot chart. And to our thing, even Hindalco is not giving us any solid move on the upside. Chances of Vedanta's option going till 15.7 is a thing, but not a okay good thing for me or for my trade. So whenever this pullback had come from this average line, I was pretty much sure that the pullback has come in place. But whenever that is failing back again, it is a matter of concern. So there is just 6.5 minutes left in this 15-minute candle, and there are no signs of bullishness here. So that is not a good thing. Out of all the bad things, you have to be searching for one good thing. That is how trading works. If things are going against you, and you should be finding a way to actually hold on to your position or hold on to your setup. That comes only through practice, and that comes only through your experience. But the fall is getting serious, guys. Not a good thing for me. At least Hindalco had it to perform. I don't know why it is taking so much time, but even the average, it's not held good in Vedanta. It should not be the reaction type that it is showing, and the prices are just falling. Oh, the average fell very huge. Now currently our losses are expanding, and we will see if I want to hold this trade for some time, or I just want to exit them. This is not a good thing, guys. The stock actually left out this average. It's not good, and parallelly, oh, the option prices are hammered like anything, which is a negative sign for us to be in this trade. Hindalco's option prices just crashed, guys. You guys can see, if you guys understand gap down in the candles. This was a clear gap down in the candle, and the option prices also just crashed, and it crashed around 40 paisa or something. Vedanta is at least not showing me any signs of hope, guys. We want the previous candle high to be broken, uh, but the high for this Vedanta stocks seems far away, and the option chart is the worst. I mean to say, it's really not in a bullish trigger as well. If this sort of a trade doesn't work out in the first 30 to 40 minutes of your trading, or the first 30 to 40 minutes of trading in the market's timing, it is, if it is not performing, if it is not holding, then we have to be very doubtful about the trade. The buyers are showing okay-ish strength in Vedanta, but this candle high, guys, this candle high is around 459. It is 458. Another 1 to 2 rupee up movement is what required for Vedanta to hold its level and give me some confidence. So the last 1.5 minute for the candle is important. So let's see, at least will the stock be able to move at least now, or it still wants to time pass. Let's see. A good amount of strength in Hindalco is coming up, which is a good thing. Comparably, when you guys are just watching this, you can see the strength in Hindalco, the way it held its average, the strength in Vedanta as well, the way it is holding and the way the candle is moving also. I might feel to exit Vedanta anytime, but until this sector is holding good, I should be okay. But also, I need price confirmations from these stocks. We are 1.5 rupees down in Vedanta's option, and we are around 1 rupees lesser in Hindalco. I'll just be on mute, guys, for 2 minutes. Yeah, guys, again, in this trade of metals, I'm okay with Hindalco, guys. Again, Vedanta is a thing now. Uh, I think market wants more of my time today. Vedanta has to get out the strength, and it has to come up. Once the level of 459.6 is taken out, it will just rally on the upside for another 4 to 5 rupees. Both are similar chart, both are looking similar, but the only thing you guys can also witness is that after the fall, the Hindalco is trying to come up, and Vedanta is just time passing, which is not a okay thing, and making me to uh, think to square off this position. This candle also closes in 1 hour, 1 minute and 30 seconds. This chart is okay looking now. On the 15 minute, Hindalco is good, but the pullback has to come up in Vedanta. We have seen the prices to be holding off this level. It has retested its previous day high, and now actually the rally has to start, but again it is dipping. What the. The movement is not at all welcome in Hindalco and Vedanta. They they both are very lethargic in a way. They both are just maybe trying to load for their up move, or they don't want to move out today. But currently, whenever see the option prices, I feel them moving out very faster in the first 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes. But these stocks are currently taking so much of time to move. Maybe one sort of a behavior with this metal sector stocks, or it might be because of the expiry tensions and expiry things working on in the background. So there has to be theta decay. We just saw the prices in Vedanta to be moving out in the last half of the candle, but again the prices are giving up. Worst price action to witness, guys. Still, the metal sector is the top gainer, but I don't know which stock is actually holding them. Hindalco. Let's wait, guys. Nothing else we could do. We have already made our entry, and the setup has not triggered our stop loss. Again and again, the idea of averaging is pitching in me, guys. I'm not really sure. I'll be on mute, guys. Give me some time. Let this perform. Let this move on some direction, either towards my exit or towards my target price. I'll be on mute, guys. Hi guys. Now we could see some sort of a upside move in both of the stocks. Now currently we are in our break even, that is cost to cost zone. We are still holding the trade, and we want both of its day high to be broken. So we have already marked the levels in both Vedanta and Hindalco. So if that happens, we'll be very much happy to close our trade and close our day. So let's wait, guys. These stocks have troubled us for quite some time now. We want the move to happen. So in Hindalco, we are around the cost what we have paid, and in Vedanta, we are in slight profit, so which is very negligible. So it is subject to change anytime. So we have to wait. Waiting is the game today, guys. Today, no much of technicals or anything over here. We have left out the other stocks, whatever they might want to perform, let them perform. So we are seeing no movement, no good moments in any of the stocks. So we picked out the right sector. We waited for our setup to be triggered, and we are just sitting in the trade. So that shouldn't be a problem. And options are the one which gives you most of the confirmation of the move in the stock prices. So we are expanding, and the stock is just rallying now, guys. We want both Vedanta and Hindalco to make its day high, beat its day high as well. So this Vedanta is currently facing again resistance from its day high 462.6, 462.55. Yeah, guys, they're again seeing some rejection from that level. This candle has still 4 more minutes to close. So I think until then I shouldn't be taking any of the decisions to like exit or to hold. But I'm very much keenly tracking the prices of the options. So option premium of 19.1 was hit by Vedanta. Again, it has hit 19.15 and it is currently at 18.8. So either I can do a thing here is I can protect whatever I have paid to the markets today. That is, I can keep my loss to zero. And also in Hindalco, it is quite okay, not a problematic thing for me. I want a strong breakout in Vedanta now, guys. Another 3 minutes of our time will be just looking at the way how Vedanta will break its day high. So Hindalco has some time maybe to break out the upper levels. Some more of movement is required, but I think Vedanta should hit off its level very soon now. So I'll be on mute, guys. Give me some time. Let me see. Hi guys. We are not really witnessing any of the like strength or any good things in this trades to carry over. So we were in actually a good amount of profits, around 8 to 9 thousands of profit, but I was able to book out this much of profit. That's it. So we are not really happy with the price movement in Hindalco. So let me also show you that chart, guys. So this is the call option of 28th October, 750 call option in Hindalco. You guys can see what type of a chart this option is forming. We are not very happy, and also Vedanta performed, and Vedanta actually went out till the day high. We were expecting the rally to continue up till here, but again there was a series like gap down and series of red candles, so we were not so happy. So we booked out our trades with very minimal profits. These are almost to our commissions for the day. So let me just calculate my commission. It's around 500 rupees, and it's a flat day, guys. We haven't made much, but it's not a losing day, and we are happy for it. So I think this is one of the biggest live I have been in, and yeah, let me close the live for the day. Thank you, guys.